How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a new project in Visual Studio Code. So if you actually navigate through Visual Studio Code, there's no way for us to go ahead and basically create a new project, or there's no option. Now, what you want to do is to click on the close folder option, click no save, and then it will prompt you to the main screen right here. And if you want to create a new project, I suggest to open up a file first. So click open file. And here you can save the file to wherever you want to. And to make things a lot easier, I'm going to save it onto my documents. Now right click on the file location, navigate through new folder, and you could just name this project anything you want to. So let's do something like example VS Code, select folder, and then basically here we have it. We can now import file or download files onto this specific project or folder that we just created. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.